Good evening from London. The FTSE 100 opened firmly in the green after yesterday's bank holiday. The index was boosted even higher following strong UK manufacturing PMI data. During the month of April, it rose to 60.9 from 50.8 in March. The April reading is the highest since July's 1994's record high, and manufacturing production has increased for the 11th successive month. Growth has been attributed to a loosening of lockdown restrictions, improved demand, and a rising backlog of work. Energy giant Saudi Aramco has posted a 30% jump in first quarter profits in a sign of recovery from last year's oil market crash. Saudi Arabia's state energy group said net income in the 3 months to March the 31st was $21.7 billion, up from $16.7 billion in the same quarter a year ago, when the world was witnessing a peak of the COVID-19 pandemic. The results beat analysts' forecasts of $19.4 billion. While its competitors have slashed dividends, the company has pledged to pay the bulk of the $75 billion in annual dividends to the Saudi government, alongside taxes and royalties. Crude oil production averaged 8.6 million barrels a day in the first quarter, down from 9.8 million a year ago. According to a leading economist, India's economy is faced in an unprecedented recession as the country battles with the world's deadliest surge of COVID-19. Yesterday, the country reported 370,000 infections after reaching a global record of more than 400,000 positive cases on Saturday. Large parts of the country have already gone into lockdown, including the 3 largest cities, New Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has stopped short of the blanket nationwide lockdown it implemented last year through fear of the ruinous consequences of the economy. Both the Nifty 50 and the BSE Sensex gained 0.16% overnight. Warren Buffett, the chief executive of Berkshire Hathaway, has confirmed that Greg Abel, who currently runs the conglomerate's non-insurance business, will be his successor. Abel has long been considered one of 2 men likely to follow Buffett, along with Ajit Jain, who heads Berkshire's insurance business. Both are vice chairman of the company, along with 97-year-old Charlie Munger. Berkshire Hathaway owns more than 60 companies, including insurer Gecko, battery maker Duracell, and restaurant chain Dairy Queen. It also has major stakes in Apple, Coca-Cola, Bank of America and American Express, among others. In March, Mr. Buffett joined the exclusive $100 billion club after Berkshire Hathaway shares hit record levels. Those are your main stories from London at close of business.